Hello there. Today we're going to talk about some of the best extensions regarding Amazon dropshipping. As you know, in this following channel, we deal with the issues and we talk about the different kinds or the postulates of Amazon dropshipping that are present. So over here, that's what we're going to be dealing with. So let's see what are the extensions we basically need in order to start an effective dropshipping. As you know, the old type of dropshipping is now dead, and the new type of dropshipping, which is called online arbitrage, finally have begun. And the online arbitrage is here to stay. I mean, that is here to basically stay, and that is the kind of dropshipping which will be carrying on from now on. Which will be, which will be going ahead. This is the kind of dropshipping that will basically be effective from now on. And up till now, I talked about the different kinds of sources regarding, online arbitrage. Today, I'm gonna talk about the extensions you need to basically get started. I will go absolutely step by step. I'll go step by step in this regard. For example, uh, first of all, I have the extension Jungle Scout. Okay, so what does Jungle Scout do? I have seen it shopping. I have grabbed it. Okay, let me show you what they do. Let me type in cat food. Okay, so here I've typed in cat food basically. You see different kinds of food over here, cat food, So what Jungle Scout does is Jungle Scout shows me the monthly sales, which is very important. It shows me the daily sales. It shows me the monthly revenue. It shows me the net revenue, total fees. Okay, you know, listing quality score, the quality of listing, number of sellers, brand fulfillment, date first available. This is very, very important. Why do you need to look at this? You need to look at this because this gives you an accurate data of when it was first available. Dimension, weight, and tire. This is also very important. You need to look at the tire. Never go for a product that is oversized. Okay. Never ever go for a product which is absolutely oversized. Never ever go for that. Always go for something which is tire size. For example, which has a size that's basically usable. Size is it's usable size. It's a good size. And you can easily ship it, transport it. So never ever go for a product, okay, which you think is oversized. So we don't want sizing complicated. When you have an oversized product, what happens is basically you have extra charges in shipping. So always look at the size, oversize, avoid the standard. It's okay. Okay. Let me click on this. Okay. And another extension that I have over here is GrabLay. So what does GrabLay do? GrabLay has a very important function. GrabLay shows me whether or not this particular product has the buy box. So this is very, very important. This is very important because if the product does not have the buy box, then what's the use of it? I will bring a detailed video on what the buy box is and how you can manually, and I repeat, how you can manually check the buy box. I'll bring a detailed video on that. How you can, basically manually check the buy box. Okay. To the inventory. How you can even check buy box rotation manually. I'll show that. This is something you'll see for the first time over here. How to check the buy box availability, the buy box health, buy box rotation. I'll be bringing in all these things and I'll bring different ways of product research. that nobody has talked about up till now. Okay, so and you don't even need your, you don't even need paid tools as a beginner. Most people starting off as a beginner. Okay, so for example, let's click this product. So let's see. I get the tools. Jungle Scout is just 30, 29 bucks a month. Then get a good VPN, get, Grably, and then we can start now. Okay. So what do we see over here? For example, let's take in this product. This product has two FBAs, three FBMs, Amazon, and also the buy box. So this product basically shows us, this tool shows us the number of fulfillment by merchant sellers, number of fulfillment by Amazon sellers, and whether or not the buy box is present in this particular, listing or not. So when you see the buy box, you automatically assume that in this case, it means the sale is rotating. The sale is absolutely rotating. So that's what the buy box gives you idea about. That the sales is rotating. The sale is rotational. It's rotating, it's spinning. So that's the idea you get from over here. All right. Okay. So I'll also do product research, but that I'll do on the next video. Okay? I'll talk to you about the criteria. Okay. And these tools are very important. All right. They're very important because currently, if you go for dropshipping in the UAE, the only tool to properly work in the UAE is the Jungle Scout and Helium 10, maybe the Jungle Scout as well. It's one of the only tools, which gives you accurate data in the UAE. Not accurate, but close to accurate. If you take into account, states like KSA, UAE, Middle East, Dubai, Qatar, nothing works over there. If somebody tells you this tool, that tool is working, nothing works. Jungle Scout and Helium 10 give you a close estimation. Okay, this video isn't sponsored by them. It's not, but I've used it, so I really like it. I always try to promote it because I think they give you accurate data. A lot of tools, they don't give you accurate data. Okay, so I'll cover tools as well, but my journey, my style is going to be for absolute beginners who are tight on a budget. Okay. So then we get this tool Grably. It shows you the buy box and all these things. All right. Then we go and get Jungle Scout. You can take 1 month subscription. It's just $30. Okay, so it will give you a lot of info. You need these information. Okay, monthly sales, daily sales, net profit, total sale. You get everything over here. Everything that you actually need. All right, that's very, very important. There you go. All right. So then we get another extension. It's called net shopping. Sorry, my bad. Okay, net shopping, Google Chrome. Okay, then basically get net shopping. So what CNET shopping does? So what CNET shopping does is CNET shopping basically shows you where your desired product is available and the prices. Okay, get the best price on everything, and you can get price blink instantly, you know. So these are the extensions that show you where basically your tools, the product that you searched, where are they available? Okay, this is what it's gonna show you. So I guess it's downloading. Let that download. Okay, so it's basically, it's downloading itself now. So yeah, so what other tools are there? You can use, then you can use Keepa as well. That's also good. But I prefer Jungle Scout is because it gives you absolute accurate data. There are a lot of tools, but they don't give you the accurate data. The accurate weight, or they don't give you the accurate number of sellers. A lot of things basically, they miss out. So in the beginning, if you're a beginner, get CNET shopping, get Grably, get just 1 month, get a subscription of Jungle Scout, okay, and you're good to go. And step by step, I'll show you what other tools you need to start absolutely free. So that you can start absolutely free, you can start absolutely with zero money. Also, get the extension, get the extension Keeper. Okay, you can get Keeper Chrome extension. If you type it in your Google, you're gonna find it. This is also free, absolutely. Okay, you can get this one. You can get Keeper and get Helium 10. You know, the extension Helium. I don't need it because I've practiced a lot. But you can get a Helium 10. You can basically get a Helium 10 extensions free subscription. Using your you can get free subscription if give in your email. You can get maybe you can get 10 or 10 trials or something. A Helium 10, yeah, Helium 10 extension. There we go. We have logged into CNET shopping. Let's see and what happens. For example, let's search this. No, this is not a good product. Let's search a good product. And always avoid products with just Amazon in them. Try avoiding, or products like these. I'll talk about product research. I'll make an elaborate video on product research. Okay, very soon. Let's take a look at a good product. Okay, let's take a look at this one. All right. Okay. So I'll talk about product research in absolute detail later on. Okay. So when you will need it, I'll talk about it in absolute details, which is important. So you see the graph, okay, the daily sales, monthly sales, and and your graphs. This is the graph. This is how it's moving. This is it's selling, over here, 6 months, 1 year. Okay. There you go. Always make sure the product that's over here is the same as the product, and when you order it, make sure that you don't order a wrong variation. For example, this is seafood, but this chicken, salmon, turkey, beef, a lot of that stuff. Okay, but make sure you don't order the wrong variation and try to avoid products with variation. Maybe one or two. So All right. And always avoid products with variations. Okay. Not working. Why? Okay. So what CNET shopping will do is CNET shopping will give you an absolute clear idea, you know, about where you can find this product, where you'll be able to, search this product, how you can source it. Can you source it from, Walmart? Can you source it from eBay? Can you source it from, any other places? This will give you an absolute idea about sourcing of the product. So that's why, CNET shopping is important. Another you can add is, price blink. That will also give you a very good idea about, as a beginner, have few extensions. That's enough. That's totally enough for you. Few extensions and just Jungle Scout will be enough for you to start online arbitrage. Just this one tool will be enough if you want to do it properly. And I'll show you a lot of free tools as well. Okay, I'll talk about free tools as well. There will be a video. I'm a beginner. I was a complete beginner, and I know you guys are also beginners. You don't have money to buy expensive tools. Okay, you can also sign up for Jungle Scout. With your email for for maybe 40 free trials. You can have 40 free trials. You can trial up. You can have 40 trials for free. You can also start it. And these are the reviews of the product. We have reviews, what people think about, what they have said. These are genuine reviews. See, you have their cats, they're enjoying. Look at the rating. Rating of the product is always very important. Rating. This is the number of reviews. How many people have reviewed it? Ratings. 36,000 people have given their reviews or ratings, and the rating is 4.7. Okay. You can see his very good reviews. Okay, verified purchase, excel, very good reviews, a lot of reviews, good reviews over here. So with that out of the way, we have CNET shopping, price link, and Rakuten. That's it. Okay, for starters, that's what you need. So, see? So I'll repeat the extensions you need for your, to start your online arbitrage journey are Jungle Scout, which will be free. With your email, you'll get a free use of it. Helium 10, that will also be free. Keepa, also free. You can take that free. CNET shopping, and you need a good VPN. Okay, that's it. So if you have these things in account, you can start your online arbitrage journey. No need for expensive paid tools. You need them, but later on, when you expand, when you make more profit, when you're scaling up, if you have a little bit of money to spare, you can make them. This is how today's video ends today. I hope take care, and also next video I'm gonna come up with what is the criteria for product research in online arbitrage. Till then, take care.